loudest one in the entire store.
I could always be the one you wanna call when it's cold outside. I will always be the one that's right here standing by your side. Let me in, oh, let me in my heart before. Let me in, oh.
You mowing the yard? Guess we'll go check out the spray park today. Hopefully they have some of the water on. Just went to Brahms and got this for me and baby girl. It's supposed to be frozen yogurt. It's really melting, so we're gonna have to get a move on eating this. Okay, got some ice cream. Well, it's supposed to be frozen yogurt, but I licked it and it tastes like ice cream to me. So I think they got our order wrong. Does that taste like ice cream to you? Mom. Oh, you want more? Let mommy taste the chocolate side. Okay, that might be yogurt. Can you do it? High five, you did it. High five. Look, high five. Good job. So it's after the park now, and we went ahead and got us a slushie from Sonic. We just got cranberry. Want to try some? I think she likes it. And I'm just about to take her into Petland, which is this store where they obviously sell quite a few puppies. I'm not buying one from there, but she's so obsessed with dogs and cats right now, and so I thought it would just be a little fun outing for her. My little sweetie patootie. She's focused on this drink right now. Say, we're trying to stay hydrated in this summertime. It's not even summertime, it's spring. For like 3 days now, it's been over 80 degrees. Ridiculous. We're just not used to it anymore. We're going to look at puppies. We're gonna play with a puppy today. It's gonna be so fun. Ready? We're waiting on the guy to bring us. You wanna tell everybody about your first experience at the pet store? Today you actually got to play with the puppies even though it's super hot and we're ready for a nap. Yeah. So baby girl is in the back seat drinking the slush again. That experience with the puppy dog was kind of a fail. It was the cutest little Pomeranian, but of course the one we picked to play with happened to be the loudest one in the entire store. Now I'm trying to decide if I want to take her to Toys R Us or to this Dollar jewelry store. Cancel on the extra stuff we were going to do after the puppy arrangement. Baby girl here needs a nap. I need a nap. Say hi. Say dada. Dada. So I've gotten baby girl settled. It's about 8:30 p.m. and now I'm gonna unpack that monster right there. easier than I was expecting because I'm just tired. But now for the rest of this mess.